the ENGWE M20 Electric Bike is a striking blend of performance, style, and practicality, making it a standout choice for adults seeking a reliable mode of transportation. Boasting a robust 1000W motor, this electric bike can reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, ensuring that you can zip through urban environments or countryside trails with ease. The bike's design is not only aesthetically pleasing but also ergonomically crafted to provide comfort during long rides. One of the first features that catch your eye is the M20's sleek and modern design. The frame is constructed of high-strength aluminum alloy, which not only offers durability but also keeps the bike lightweight, clocking in at around 70 pounds. This weight allows for relatively easy handling, whether you are riding uphill or navigating busy streets. The overall build quality feels reassuring, and the bike is designed to withstand everyday wear and tear, making it an excellent investment for regular use. The heart of the ENGWE M20 is its powerful 1000W motor. This motor delivers impressive torque, allowing riders to tackle steep hills and rough terrain without breaking a sweat. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a weekend adventure, the motor ensures smooth acceleration and consistent power delivery. The maximum speed of 28 miles per hour is exhilarating, and the bike is capable of maintaining this speed over moderate distances, providing a thrilling ride without compromising safety. The bike features a 48V13A lithium battery, which is another highlight. The battery is removable, making it convenient to recharge or swap out if needed. On a full charge, riders can expect a range of approximately 40 to 50 miles, depending on factors such as terrain and riding style. This range is particularly appealing for commuters or those looking to explore new trails, as it allows for longer journeys without the fear of running out of power. ENGWE has also equipped the M20 with a variety of riding modes, including pure electric, pedal assist, and manual pedaling. This versatility is one of the bike's strong points, as it allows riders to choose the most efficient mode for their needs. The pedal assist mode is especially useful for longer rides, helping to ease the strain on your legs while still providing an enjoyable cycling experience. The bike's suspension system deserves mention as well. The front fork features a hydraulic suspension that effectively absorbs bumps and shocks, making off-road rides more comfortable. The rear wheel is also supported by a dual shock system, which further enhances stability and comfort, especially when navigating uneven terrain. This effective suspension system allows the M20 to perform well in various environments, from city streets to rugged trails. Braking is another critical aspect of any electric bike, and the ENGWE M20 does not disappoint. It comes equipped with front and rear disc brakes that provide excellent stopping power. The brakes are responsive and reliable, which is crucial when riding at higher speeds. The bike also features integrated LED lights, improving visibility during nighttime rides and making it a safer choice for commuting in all conditions. Comfort is further enhanced by the bike's adjustable saddle and ergonomic handlebars. Riders can easily customize the height of the seat to ensure a proper fit, which is essential for reducing fatigue on long rides. The handlebars are designed for a natural grip, allowing for better control and comfort, especially over extended periods. One aspect that might deter some potential buyers is the price point. The ENGWE M20 is positioned as a premium electric bike, and while it is packed with features, it may be beyond the budget of casual riders. However, considering the quality, performance, and versatility it offers, many users feel it justifies the investment. Overall, the ENGWE M20 electric bike for adults is an impressive option for those seeking a powerful, stylish, and versatile electric bike. With a robust motor, generous battery life, and excellent suspension, it caters to both commuting needs and adventurous spirits. Whether you are riding through busy city streets or exploring off-the-beaten-path trails, the M20 stands ready to deliver a thrilling and comfortable experience. For anyone looking for a dependable,